Hi, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to install iOS 16 public beta on iPhone 11, iPhone 12 or iPhone 13. So let's get started. To begin with, launch the Safari browser. Go to beta.apple.com. Scroll down a bit. You will see this section. Tap on Sign In if you already have an Apple ID. Authenticate with your Face ID or password after tapping Continue. On this page, under the Get Started section, you will find Enroll your iOS device in blue text. Tap on it. It will take to the page which says Enroll your devices to get public beta software. Before you continue to the next step, it is recommended to back up your data to avoid the risk of losing your data on your iPhone. Once you have done the backup of your iPhone, tap on the Download Profile link. It will give a pop-up which asks whether you want to allow it to download. Allowing it to download the profile, you get the message Profile downloaded. Now close this pop-up and head over to Settings. You will see this Profile downloaded. Tap on it. It will show the profile which says iOS 16 and iPadOS 16 beta software. Tap on Install. Put in your passcode. You get this consent message. Tap on Install. It says Restart required. Tap on Not now. Go back to the main settings page and then General. Here, tap on Software Update. Now, you will see the iOS 16 public beta update. To install it, tap on Download and Install. Enter the passcode. It will take a while because it is a pretty large download. That's it for this video on how to install iOS 16 public beta on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe to the channel.